Hello everyone, here's a new recap video for the Ultra Bonds algo we are using. Today is Tuesday, 22 of March 2022. Okay, for you guys trading Frankfurt or London, we're going to discuss the setups during this period, this session. Here to the left we see simple rules for taking the trades. The red line is a 200 SMA and this is the VWAP. We got our standard deviation levels also, but most important we have this 200 SMA as a big rule for taking the trades. So longs above and shorts below. So we had Frankfurt. This was a win for those guys who trade Frankfurt. You can enter on the green candle. We don't enter on a gray candle. Same for shorts. Here we are below the 200. You can enter directly on the London Open and you can take around, let's say on this thing, 6 ticks, 7 ticks on this move. Another short, you can directly jump in, 18 till 13, 12, 5, 6 ticks. Then we got some rotation. You can close the trade if you see gray candles going against you, or you can just have a TP for 5-6 ticks, and that's enough. You only need 2 of these kind of trades a day, maybe in an hour of trading. Focus on trading like 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and then take a long break. Keep it simple, don't overtrade. So London Open, 2 wins. This is a counter trade, a long trade below the 200, so you don't take it. Only the more advanced trader trade it. What we see here, nice extra information here, is the EPS pressure indicator. We see here on these lower highs just before the open, we see more buyers want to get in, but we got a lot of selling pressure. It's hitting these lines here on the indicator, telling us we got extreme pressure to the downside. This is giving us extra information that if the price gives follow up on these kind of extreme pressures, price will make a big run. And if it goes counter, like here, we got extreme pressure to the downside. That's a big player that wants to short from this standard deviation level over here. But the price did not follow up. So this player lost his trade. These big players lost their trade and they have to compensate. So they have to take smaller positions to the upside to compensate their losses. So this is an effort, no result, and these are efforts with result. This is how you can use this indicator. Or you can see like here multiple signals with fewer pressure, but in the end combined it's a lot of pressure. So someone or some traders wanted to short this top here, this run upwards, and they get a follow-up, price is rotating. And yes, indeed, there we got a win. 24 to 19, 5 ticks. This short is a break even or a loss. If you enter this trade and price goes against you, first you get in profit, then you see gray candles, price is going against you, close the trade. Don't let a winning trade become a losing trade. So we have a win, a win, a win, a loss, and a win. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wins, 1 loss. 4 wins, 1 loss. And what time is it here? Another trade. Here we got a long on a green candle. You don't take a signal on a gray candle. You wait for a green candle. So you enter on this trade, on this candle, or this trade. Wait, or it's a winning trade. So 5 wins. 5 wins, 1 loss. Perfect. Keep it simple. And then we got lunchtime. This is 12 o'clock Holland time, GMT +1. So around this time we take a break. Right? Then around 1 o'clock my time. That's 20 minutes before bond open. That's around here. That should be 6 Central Standard Time. Then we see more volume getting in the market, more volatility. And then we got another win. Here we got a short, but this short directly get a gray bar. So you wait until you get a red bar. We need to take shorts below the 200. So you wait for bars to turn red again and below the 200, and you enter here. So we got a win here. Also, keep it simple. This was the big run. This was a nice drop. And then we had the bond open. This is the daily level. Daily level, we don't take trades. We filtered out these signals. If there were signals over here, we got no signals. This long we let pass. We don't take it because we are below the 200. Again, another win. This is bond open. First win, second win. This is a big winner. This is a big winner. Then we got a short on this candle or this candle. Pretty fast, I would say, 2 tick loss. Okay. Price makes a bounce and we see a higher low and structure changing. So we got here the indication structure tried to change. This high wanted to break this high. First long, second long, and another long. So the more advanced traders might take this long because we got multiple signals. The structure might change. And we're in a wide state. Market is pretty far away from the 200 and is pulling back towards the 200 into a narrow state. And price always breathes in, breathes out, breathe in, breathe out. More advanced traders were already in this rotation, entered here or here. And here were the real signals. More volume picked up and there was a real trend. Here we try to break the trade, the low. It failed. And here we tried again. You might end in profit or break even. I did not want to let this thing go against me, so this was a break even. But still we had enough trades in our favor. Price went back to narrow state and went above, and these two were winners. So 2 wins. This is New York Open already. We are below, we got another win, and this is a loss, 2 tick. Okay, and we got a win. So let us check the results. This is around London close right now. So how many wins did we get during the New York session till London close? This is 1 win, 2 win, 3, 4 wins, 5 wins, 6 wins. We got 6 wins. Bond and New York session till London close. 6 wins, big ticks. And we had how many losses? We had this 2 ticks loss. This was a loss, break even 2 ticks, 4 ticks loss, 6 tick loss, 3 losses. Yeah, 3 losses. Three losses times 2 ticks times 2 ticks. Okay, so that's okay. 6 tick loss, that's like 1 trade, because if you look at this trade, this thing pushed over 10 ticks, so this was a very interesting trade. Let's say you entered over here at 02 and you close here at 24, so that's very interesting. Very big moves, and win-loss ratio is very interesting. We had 5 wins and 1 loss on the London session. So if you're trading around these times of day, you will see it's very interesting to trade the bond during London and bond open. You can trade till the New York Open and then maybe call it a day. Most European traders do that in my trading group. If you want to trade in New York, there will be some more waves above and below the 200, and this is just how we trade. We're in a narrow state right now, so not interesting to trade. So all signals were very interesting, and we had good results today again. If you want to join the Discord group, and if you want to use this algo, Ultra Bonds algo also, just contact me on my Discord server and we can talk about it. So have a nice day, everybody. Until the new video.